वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनाधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We have completed the 5 lessons. So now the 6th lesson. Please type your name in the chat box. Yes, Ganesh, you can start. Yeah, you have to unmute your mic, Ganesh.
Yes, and sorry. Nauka Shakatam.
Yes. Please read. Hello.
Yes, Ji.
Ganesh. I think he is having some problem in his mic. Okay, Ramaji, please start. Please correct your mic. Some problem in your audio.
In my audio, Sharanji.
Not yours, Ganesh.
Oh, okay. Nauka Shakatam. Iyam Nauka. Like other lessons I have to do, Sharanji.
Yes.
Iyam Nauka, this Asti, this Kartari, and then Kartari Shatru will, there is no Kartari Shatru. Karmani will be Anaya Naukaya Bhuyate. Anaya Naukaya Bhuyate. Ayam Navikaha Asti.
That's okay, you can read that. Navikaha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sharan,
Yeah, just read. Navikaha Chandraha.
just okay. Okay. I am Navikaha. Then Iyam Kshepani, Iyam Nadi, I am Chandraha, I am Padaha, Iyam Nari, I am Shakatikaha, Iyam Kasha, Idam Chakram. Then Avam and Divam, using Avam and Divam. Avam Shaktena Griham Gachavaha. Sharanji?
This first sentence you can do. You can try
Okay.
Shatranta. Yeah.
Okay. Avam Shakatena Griham Gachavaha. This is Kattari. Kattari Shatra will be.
That is the meaning of the vakyam.
We both
Gachavaha, start like that. Gachavaha.
Gachavaha go. Avam Kau Gachavaha, Avam Gachavaha. We both go.
That Gau Gachavaha will not, because Gachavaha itself is Uttama Purusha. Gau Gachati
Oh.
Gachavaha. Because Gachavaha itself, Avam is there, Gachavaha. So, Gau Gachati, Avam Gachavaha.
Avam Gachavaha.
Putra Gachavaha. Yeah, please continue.
Putra Gachavaha, Griham Gachavaha, Kena Gachavaha, Shakatena Gachavaha. So we both go to the house with by Shakata cart. Then Kattari Shatra will be Gachavaha. So Gachantau Swaha will be Kattari Shatru. So Avam Shakatena Griham Gachantau, or if it is Strilinga, then Gachantyau Swaha.
Very good. Yes.
Then Karmani will be Gamyate. So Griham Gamyate, Abhihitam to Karma. So Griham Gamyate. Avabhyam Shakatena Griham Gamyate. Then Karmani Shatra will be Shakat Griham Bhuyate, it should be. So Shakatena Gachadbhyam Avabhyam Griham Bhuyate. Then
Sorry, no. What is that?
No.
Karmani would be.
Karmani will be Avabhyam Shakatena Griham Gamyate.
Gamyate. Yes.
Then
Gamyate. Shakatena. Yes.
Then Gachadbhyam Avabhyam it will become. So,
Gachadbyam. Why Gachadbyam? Avabhyam. Avabhyam. Griham. Gamyamanam asti. That's all. Okay. Gamyamanam asti. If you want to use Shana.
oh, okay.
Avabhyam Shakatena Griham Gamyamanam asti. Already you have done. This Shatra Kartari if you do.
Yeah.
Griham Gachavaha. So Avam Shakatena Griham Gachavaha. Shatra would be Gachadbyam Avabhyam Shakatena Gachadbyam Avabhyam. Gachadbyam Avabhyam Griham Shakatena. Then Bhuyate will come.
Yeah, that is what.
Yes, okay. That's what you said. Okay, fine.
So Shakatena Gachadbhyam Avabhyam Griham Bhuyate, that is Shatra. Then Shanach Karmani.
Shatra. Yeah.
Then Shanach Kattari will be here.
Actually, it is not Karmani Shatra also. I mean, it's Karmani only. In fact, it's Karmani only. Karmani we use Shanach. It is the Tritiya Vibhakti of Shatra we use. That in the sense, Kartari only it will come. Gachadya. Okay.
Then Avabhyam Shakatena Gamyamanam Griham Asti.
Yes, Gamyamanam. Then the next person.
1 minute. Sharanji, Avabhyam means it will be Staha or Asti?
Avabhyam, it is that is not abhigitam. Karma only is abhigitam. So depending on the vachanam of the karma, it will be
So griham asti.
griham asti.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
The same sentence Ramaji can do in ekavachanam and bahuvachanam.
Okay. Maya Shakatena
Kartari.
Kattari. Maya Shakatena Griham.
Agam shakatena griham.
Oh, sorry. Aham Shakatena Griham Gachami. Then Bahuvachanam will be Vayam Shakatena Griham Gachamaha. Then Kattari Shatru for Ekavachanam.
Simple kartari can do.
Aham Shakatena Griham Gachanti Asmi.
Okay.
Or Gachan Asmi if it is Pullinga. Yeah. Then Bahuvachanam will be Vayam Shakatena Griham Gachantaha Smaha or Gachantihi Smaha Strilinga. Then Tritiya Shatra will be no. Karmani will be.
Yeah, karmani. Just plain simple.
Plain Karmani. That is simple Karmani. That is Maya Shakatena Griham Gamyate. Then Vayam. Asmabihi Shakatena Griham Gamyate. Then Tritiya.
Asmabihi Shakatena Griham Gamyate.
Gamyate.
Gamyate, kutra gamyate, griham gamyate.
Griham Gamyate.
Then kaihi asmabihi. Katam shakatena. Now, this asmabihi shakatena griham gamyate. This is one. Then the same sentence, this is latlakara, right? We use in the past tense. In the past tense, if you use ta pratyaya, griham gatam.
Gatam.
Same sentence we can use ta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya, krudanta also. Okay, as many as possible we can make sentences we can make. So karmani is the simple. This simple karmani is in a shatra karmani. Okay, we don't have to do the gamyamanam and all. It will become more confusing now. So you can do it in Bhagavachanam and use Kridanta now. Using Kridanta, Ta Pratyaya, Tavata Pratyaya, indicating the past tense, Karmani Bhute. Kriya Padam we can use Lang Lakara. Kriya Padam, Lang Lakara we can use. Okay. So now,
Shakatena Griham.
now the sentence, now this in this sentence, converting this into the past tense. Simple. So,
Sharanji, may I ask a question, please?
Yeah.
You know, when we are doing the Shanaj part, like Shanaj part, Gamyamana, it's a kind of trying to translate it into English is becoming, trying to understand the sentence in English is becoming difficult. You know, how can we figure that out?
Not literally translate a sentence into English.
See, to understand it, I want to kind of think in that way and then go there, and it's not making sense to me. Like when we say, Gachamanam.
Simple. It is Griham Gamyate. Forget about other words. Gamyate. So Gamyate Karmani Priyaha, it is Karma is Abhigitam. Griham Gamyate. The house is gone by two offers. That's how it is. The house is gone too by two, by the cart.
Oh, so we are actually
Gamyate.
The Gamyamana is linking with Gruham. We are trying to make it.
Yes, kind of Gamyate is there. So now we use Shanaj, Gruham, Gamyamanam, Asti.
Okay. the house which was reached. We can think like that.
The house
perhaps.
which is gone to by two of us by the cart, the same.
Okay.
That's mean. Gamemanam asti. If you use shanaj. Anyway, that
Thank you.
not required. It is if it is confusing.
It's hard to think in those terms in English, but
It is not confusing. Griham gamyate is you're just making it yeah. Griham gamyate asti.
yeah, that makes sense. Gruham Gamyate makes sense, but when we are trying to add the Gramyamana, it's kind of
If Griham
throwing me
gamyate makes sense, Griham gamyamanam also makes sense. Griham gamyamanam
Okay.
asti. The house which is gone to is there. That is the meaning, translation. The house
Okay.
gone to by two of us by the cart is there. But we don't translate like that in English. Anyway, so
Okay, thank you.
yes. So now Shatranta would be in Ekavachanam, Ramaji.
Sharaji. Shatran.
Agam Shakatena Girgam.
Gachan asmi or gachanti asmi.
Yes.
For that, tavatu, should I tell?
Sorry, we are doing Lang Lakara. That's how we started. Okay. Agam Shakatena Girgam.
Agacham.
Gacham. I went to the house by the cart. Ta pratyaya we can use. Agacham.
Tam pratyaya means it will be
Tavatu.
karmani.
Tavatu.
Tavatu.
That means Nishta pratyaya. Tavatu we can use.
Tavatu will be aham shakatena griham gatavan or gatavati.
Very good. Gatavan or Gatavati.
Then karmani form is maya shakatena griham gamyate, simple karmani. Then ta pratyaya will be maya shakatena griham gataha.
Gatam.
Or gatam, sorry. Abhihitam karma.
There is no R, only Gatam only.
Gatam, sorry.
Kena Gatam, Maya Gatam.
Gatam.
Gatam Shakatena. Right?
Yeah.
Then Bhagavachanam.
Vachanam. Vayam shakatena griham gachamaha, simple kartari. Tavatu will be vayam shakatena griham gatavantaha or gatavatihi. Oh, sorry. No.
Gatavatyaha.
Gatavatyaha, sorry. Gatavatyaha. Then simple karmani will be asmabhihi shakatena griham
Gatam.
gamyate is karmani, simple karmani.
Gamyate already have done.
Yeah.
Karmani.
Ta pratyaya.
That Karmani already you have done. Lang Karmani, suppose if you want to do Lang Karmani.
Agamyata.
Agamyata. Agamyata is equal to Agamyata.
Asmabhihi shakatena griham agamyata.
Yeah. Ta pratyaya will be.
Ta pratyaya will be asmabhihi.
Asmabhihi shakatena griham agamyata. That's what I said. Agamyata is equal to. Right?
Yes.
Griham agamyata. That's karmani. Griham agamyata lang karmani. Nishta pratyaya will be griham gatam. Only one form. Griham agamyata, griham gatam. Only in kartari, depending on the vachanam of the karta, we have other forms. Gatavantaha, gatavanto, gatavanta. Gatavan, gatavanto, gatavantaha. Or gatavati, gatavatyo, gatavatyaha. Okay. So as many sentences we can form with this. With the ta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya, and first we can do in lat, and then we can do lang. When you do lang, we can bring in ta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya. Ta is, anyway, it is, ta is karmani. Ta is karmani. And tavatu is kartari. The same sentence, since the gachavaha, the kriya padam is involved, we can use we can use the shatru. And we can use the same, we can convert that into karmani, that is another form, that is karmani shatru. Then the same thing can be used, converted into other vachanam. So all these possibilities are there. So your choice. You make as many sentences you like. Next person. Krishna.
Sharanji, sorry, I got disconnected.
Yeah, I know. Yes, it's okay. Because we have studied all these pratyas, all those forms, therefore we can use. Lang lakara we can use. Okay. In fact, we can use other lakara also, ling lakara and lot lakara, but it is not required now here. We can use lang lakara so that we can bring in ta pratyaya tavatu. Krishnaji, you can form minimum 10 sentences.
Okay.
Your choice. Okay. But use ta tavatu. Start using ta tavatu. Lang.
Yuvam naukaya nadim taratah. Should I do kartari?
You can kartari,
Okay.
kartari.
Yuvam.
You can do kartari, karmani, lat and lang. And when you use lang, you can use ta tavatu pratyaya. When you read a sentence, first you explain the sentence and then start doing this. Start from the kriya padam and then explain. Yeah. Yuvam naukaya
So
nadim.
So taratah. So you two cross the river.
Ke taratah. Taratah.
Yuvam.
Alpa prana.
Yuvam
Ke
taratah.
taratah. Yuvam.
Yuvam taratah.
Yes.
Kim taratah nadim.
Kam taratah. Nadim taratah.
And kaya taratah naukaya.
Yes.
So simple karmani would be the dhatu is through dhatu. So karmani form would be tiryate.
Good. Tiryate.
So yuvabhyam naukaya.
Okay, here in this sentence also in the previous sentence. Who is the karta? Karta is Yuvam.
Yuvam.
Yeah. And naukaya?
Karanam.
Karana. Karana karaka. Karma is
Nadi.
Nadi. So karana goes in tritiya, karma is in dvitiya. So karmani prayoga karma will be in prathama vibhakti. So yes, start.
So yuvabhyam
Nadi,
naukaya.
it start from kriya padam again, so that it will be clear.
Okay, so karmani, so through dhatu, so tiryate. So nadi tiryate.
Ka tiryate, nadi tiryate.
Ka tiryate, nadi tiryate.
Kabyam nadi tiryate.
Kabyam nadi tiryate. Yuvabhyam nadi tiryate. Kaya tiryate. Yuvabhyam naukaya nadi tiryate.
Yes, good. This is karmani.
Karmani. So lung form would be Yuvam naukaya nadim
Atir.
atir. So
Yeah.
guna will happen. So
Not
tarati.
guna. It is not guna. How can guna?
No, this is through dhatu. So this is first karaji.
Oh, yes. Yeah, first guna. But you are doing which?
So
Lung, right?
lung form, lung.
Okay, sorry. Yes.
So lung form, Yuvam naukaya nadim. So madhyama purusha dvivachanam.
What is the Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Rupam? Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Rupam. Atarat. Yeah, you can chant that. Atarat.
Ataratam, ataran, ataraha, ataratam, atarata.
Yes.
Attaram, attarava, attarama. So Nadim, in this case, Nadim attaratam. Yuvam naukaya Nadim attaratam.
Attaratam, yes.
Lung form. Now Shatru would be Shatru Tarataha. Okay. Trudhatu Shatru form would be
Tridhatu Shatru form will be simple. The same thing as you did the guna.
yeah. So
Tarat is a
Tarat
pratipadikam.
Tarat is a Pratipadikam, right, Ji?
Yes, Tarat.
Tarat. So Tarat. So Tarat.
Tarantau Tarantaha.
Tarantau. Okay. Tarantau. So Yuvam Naukaya. Sorry.
Yes, right. You are doing Yuvam, Naukaya, Nadim,
Tarantau.
Tarantau,
Staha.
not
Not
Staha, because Yuvam is Karta, right? Yuvam,
Yuvam.
Stam.
Madhyama Purusha. Stam.
See, Staha, sorry. See, Staha, right? Yuvam, Staha.
Staha.
So, Yuvam, Naukaya, Nadim, Tarantau, Staha.
Tarantau. Staha. Madhyama Purusha. Dhyochanam. Okay. Staha.
That is, let Shatru.
Shatru.
Yes, it is Shatru, Kartari Shatru, yes.
So this the Karmani form of this would be okay.
Let Karmani, that sentence would be
Yuvabhyam Naukaya.
start from the Kriya Padam.
Kriyapadam. Okay.
Always
Tarantau.
Taranto Asti, yes.
Tarantau Asti. So Nadi no. Karma is Nadi. So that is
Yes.
Ekavachanam. So Nadi Taran Asti.
See, when you do this Karmani letter, that you should have done the simple Karmani, simple Lat Karmani. That is Tiryate. Then after that, if you do it, be, I think, clear. Yuvam,
That we did. That is the first one we did.
Tiryate. Oh, okay. Yes, Tiryate. Yes, you did. Yes. So, Nadi, Yuvam, Naukaya, Nadi, Tarataha.
Tiryate.
So, Nadi, what will happen? Nadi.
So Nadi,
Yuvam, Naukaya, Nadim, Tarantau, Staha is there, right? Nadim. Oh, this Tarantau will become in keeping with the Yuvabhyam, because there is a Samanadikaranyam between Yuvam and Tarantau. Yuvam, Staha. Take that part alone, make it into Karmani. Yuvam will become
Yuvabhyam.
Then Taradbyam.
Taradbyam.
And Karmani is, the word is Nadi. Nadi becomes
Nadi.
Nadi Bhuyate.
Pratama Ekavachanam Nadi.
Yes. So, Yuvabhyam Taradbyam Nadi Bhuyate Shakatena. That's a sentence.
Yuvabhyam. Okay. Taradbyam Nadi
Bhuyate.
Naukaya Bhuyate.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Karmani already you have done, simple Karmani. Nadi Tiryate. Kai Kabhyam Yuvabhyam. Naukaya. Nadi Tiryate. Nadi Tiryamana Asti. That is also you can say. Nadi Tiryamana Asti. Yuvabhyam Naukaya. Nadi Tiryamana Asti. Now, lung form already. Lung form you have not done. Yes.
We did. So Yuvam Naukaya Nadi.
Okay. Karmani lung would be.
Karmani lung would be Yuvabhyam Naukaya Nadi Atiryate.
Atiryata.
Atiryata.
Yes.
Atiryata. Now should I do ta form?
Ta pratyaya will be
So the Pratipadikam, the Kriyapadam is tru, so tru plus ta.
One
Tir,
sentence I will write everything.
tirtha,
Sorry, Nadi. Tirtha.
Pratipadikam is tirtha.
Why Tirtha? Tridhatu plus Ta Pratyaya. What will be the form?
So it will become tir, tru will become tir. So tir plus ta, tir plus
Nadi Tirna.
nadi
Form will
tirna.
be Nadi Tirna. You have to check the Ta Pratyaya. The list of dhatu is given. Jiru becomes Jirna. Tru becomes
Yeah,
Tirna.
tir, okay, tirna.
Let me do one. I will do one sentence. Please listen. I will do one. The same sentence I will do. The same format you can. It will be confusing. Let me take the sentence. What sentence? Ivam. Yes, Ivam no care. The same sentence I will take and try to write in different forms. Can you see the screen?
SG.
Yeah. Ivam no care. This is the vacuum. This is the vacuum given. Right? The same vacuum we can first is different vacuum. Okay, team. See, right different vacuum. This is simple let. Ivam already is there. UEM. Okay. This is let. Same thing, this sentence, a simple converting that into different version. Now it is. Now this
Okay, Sharanji, excuse me. Tvam Naukaya, Nadeem only will come or Nadi Tarasi?
sorry, Nadim. Okay. I said Nadim only in type.
Thank you.
Can it be Nadi? It's a mistake. From Naukaya, Nadim. Tarasi is there using Shatranta. So let Shatra Tarasi will become from, therefore Taran Asi. Then there is from. Then taking this question this part itself, which is Vivachanam. Taranto. If it is Strilinga, again it will change, but your choice. Let's let Vivachanam. Then Taranto, Tarantaha, Tarantahasta. Let's let Vivachanam. So once you found this three sentence, anyone all the three can be converted into a company. So Asi is there. So Asi will become Buyate. So the confusion will not be there. Buyate means it becomes a D. D Buyate. So Karta is Tantaran. So that will become Karta by Kaya. By Kaya. Kaya, Kaya, Nadi, Karta, Buyate. This is let harmony. Similarly, here star is there becomes Buyate. Buyate because of Nadi. Nadi bhuyate. Taranta will become Taradhyam. Taradhyam nadi bhuyate. Yuvabhyam. Yuvabhyam bhuyate. Similarly, nadi bhuyate. This is Dvivachanam. This is Bhagavachanam. Here, Taradbihi. Taradbihi bhuyate. Ismavihi bhuyate. Now, Karmani we have done in the same sentence from Mukha Nadi. From Mukha Nadi, Tarasi is there. So Karmani basis, sorry, long form will be Taraha. Form will be Taraha. Right? This is Ekvachanam. Same thing is Dvivachanam. From Yuvam. Mukha Nadi. Yuyam. The Tarata. The same thing in lung Karmani. Lung Karmani Ekavachanam. Nadi, Nadi, Atanaha will become Dhatu, becomes Tiryate. Di Tiryate. Vaya, Nukaya. Sorry, not Tiryate. Tiryate we did before. We will do Tiryate. Not done, so you will have to make it Lat Karmani. Vaya, Nadi, Nukaya, Nadi, Tiryate. So earlier also becomes Nadi. Tiryate. This is Lat Karmani Dvivachanam. Becomes Yuvabhyam. Yuvabhyam Nukaya Nadi Tiryate. Then Lat Karmani Bhagavachanam. Tiryate. Begin. Tiryate. Already we have done. From with the same, now we can use Ta Pratyaya. Lang Ekavachanam. Nadi becomes Tirna. Vaya. Vaya Nukaya Nadi Tirna. So Nadi Tirna will remain same. Yuvabhyam. Tirna. Yuvabhyam. Then it becomes Ushmabhihi. This is Lang. Yeah, use of Dvivachanam. This is Lang. Ta Pratyaya using Bhagavachanam. This is not required. In fact, this is Dvachanam, Bhagavachanam, it is only for the Nadi. The Karta goes. So this part is also not required. Okay, remove that. Praya Naukaya Nadi Tirna. Sentence Yuvabhyam is there, you can accordingly make. So Nadi Tirna. Right. Then the same Latlakara, the long form. Latlakara that's using Pavadu. Okay. Tirna, Tirnaman, Tirnavati. This is lung using Pavadu. This is lung. Tirnaman is equal to similarly for other words. So all these sentences are possible. In all these sentences, you have to do replace sentences using different forms. Okay, question you can read now. Let us see it.
Yes, Yuvam Naukaya Nadim Taratah.
Yes.
Tvam Naukaya Nadim Tarasi. Yuyam Naukaya Nadim Taratta. Tvam Naukaya Nadim Taran Asi.
Yes.
Yuvam Naukaya Nadim Tarantaustaha. Yuyam Naukaya Nadim Tarantaha Staha. Usta Yuyam, yeah. Tvaya Naukaya Nadi Tarata Bhuyate. Tarata Bhuyate. Yuvabhyam Naukaya Nadi Taradbhyam Bhuyate. Yushmabhihi Naukaya Nadi Taradbhihi Bhuyate. Tvam Naukaya Nadim Attaraha. Lang.
Please read. Yuvam Naukaya.
How does Lang Karmani Ekavajanam say? Tvam Naukaya Nadim.
Right.
But Kartari இல்லையா சார்?
Sorry, it is it's Kartari.
வயா வந்திருந்தா?
Attarataha, Reggie, Attarat. Tvam. Oh yeah, Attaraha, correct. Yuvam Naukaya Nadim Attaratham. Yuyam Naukaya Nadim Attaratha.
Yes.
Tvaya Naukaya Nadi Tiryate. Yeah.
This is Kalat Karmani.
Let come. Yeah. Yuvabhyam Naukaya Nadi Tiryate ji. Tiryate only.
Actually, this is not required because it's going to be Nadi Tiryate only.
Nadi, yeah.
Only which is going to change. So it is Lat Karmani. Remove that Dvivachanam, which is
Nadi Tiryate, yeah.
become then continue.
Yushmabhihi Naukaya Nadi Tiryate. Tvaya Naukaya Nadi Tirna. Tvam Naukaya Nadim Tirnavan.
So you can make these sentences. We'll form this. You can follow this format. So you can take a sentence, do it in the Kartari, then Shatru Pratyaya we can use. Same sentence can be converted into lung form. Then we can use Pratyaya. And lung, when Kartari, but equivalent Tavatu also we can use. So these are the forms we are going to use for these sentences. Okay. Oh, Sumati ji, please do the next sentence.
Here we didn't do Shonach, no?
It's okay, not required. Fine.
Okay.
Already it will be confusing. Too many sentences and different vachanam. So vachanam, one vachanam is enough. Okay. Yes. Samati.
Navikah Shepanya Naukam Shipati.
You have to remember the sentence. Okay, then I can show you the.
Okay.
You can
Shepanya.
explain the sentence and then I show you the
Boatman rose.
No, not like that. Shipati.
Shipati Kaha Shipati. Navikah Shipati. Kam Shipati. Naukam Shipati. Kaya Shipati. Shepanya Naukam Shipati.
Okay, remember the sentence.
Navikah Shipati. Yeah.
Same formula. Okay.
Yeah. So, Ekavachanam, I think we did. Navikah Shepanya Naukam Shipati. Then Dvivachanam will be Navikau Shepanya Naukam Shipatah. Then Bahuvachanam.
Yes, yeah, okay.
Bahuvachanam will be Navikaha Shepanya Naukam Shipanti.
Yes.
So that is for all the three. Then Shatrikatri will be Shipan Navikah Shepanya Naukam Asti.
Naukam.
Right, Chan? Asti.
Yes.
Then next one will be Karmani. Yeah, Karmani will be simple Karmani will be Navikena Shepanya Nauka Shipyate.
This is not required, this too. Okay. Yeah. Simple Karmani is
Navikena Shepanya Nauka Shipyate.
simple Karmani. Okay.
Then next will be
Simple Karmani is here. Okay.
yeah. So that you have to do Dvivachanam, Sharanji. Simple Karmani.
One is enough.
Sorry?
One is enough.
One is okay. Now next will be Kartrisha Karmani. That will be Shipata Navikena Shepanya Nauka Bhuyate.
Yeah. Shipata Navikena.
Yeah, that is Bhuyate.
Yes.
Then next one will be Karmani Shatru, is it? That is what I did now. Shanach you need to do. It will be Shipyamana Nauka.
Shipyamana Nauka.
Nauka. The next will be
Lang you can do. Lang you can do all the vachanam.
Lang. Yeah, Lang will be Navikah Shepanya Naukam Akshipyat.
Yes.
So that will be in case of Ta Pratyaya.
You can use all the vachanam for that.
All the vachanam. Okay. It will be Navikau Shepanya Naukam Akshipyatam. Akshipatam.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Akshipatam. Then the Bahuvachanam will be Navikaha Shepanya Naukam Akshipan.
Akshipan. And Karmani one is.
Simple Karmani will be Navikena Shepanya.
I think you did that.
I did that. Yeah, I did that. So now I need to do Ta Pratyaya to be Navikena Shepanya Nauka Shipyata because Nauka.
Yeah, you think Ta Pratyaya.
So it will be Shipta.
Yes.
Shipta. Nauka Shipta.
Nauka Shipta, yes.
Tavatu will be Shiptavan, is it?
Shiptavan, yes.
Shiptavan.
You can read the
I'm
sentence.
sorry, Nauka means it will be Shiktava.
No, no, no,
Shiktavati.
no, don't do it. Nauka not.
Okay, okay.
Navikaha kshiptavan. Okay.
Navikaha Shiktava.
Navikaha nauka kshiptavan. Kshipanya.
Okay.
But karta is navikaha only.
Navikaha. Okay.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is this event. Moment we can follow this. So Tavatu we can do first and then Tapratyaya can follow. Yeah. Yeah, next one. Next person.
Is it me?
You have to remember the sentence. Okay, I'll show you the sentence.
Okay.
Remember the sentence. You can follow the same forward. Then move this forward. Yeah. Next sentence is Shakatika. Please read.
Shakatikah kashaya vrishabho tadayati. Kaha tadayati is kriya padam. Kaha tadayati, shakatikah tadayati. Kau tadayati. Kau no.
Kau tadayati. Yes.
Kau tadayati, vrishabho tadayati, kaya tadayati, shakatikah kashaya vrishabho tadayati. Now, that cartman is beating the Rishabho with the whip.
Yes. Beating E, beat the bull.
Bull with the whip. So Shakatikah Kashaya Vrishabho Tadayati. Shatru form will be. No, I have to tell about Shakatikau Kashaya Vrishabho Tadayatah. Shakatikaha Kashaya Vrishabho Tadayanti. Next, Lakshatru. Kashaya Tadayan Shakatikah Asti. So Tadayan Shakatikah Kashaya Vrishabho Asti. Or Kashaya Vrishabho, shall we put it in the beginning? Or?
Kashaya Vrishabho.
Kashaya Vrishabho Tadayan Shakatikah Asti.
Yes.
Then next, simple karmani, let karmani. Shakatikena Kriyapadam is Tadayate. Tadayate. Vrishabho, so Tadayate.
No, not Tadyate. Tadyate.
Okay. Tadyate. Vrishabho Tadyate. So Shakatikena Kashaya Vrishabho Tadyate. Next, Karmani Shatru. Karmani Shatru will be Kriyapadam is Bhuyate. Shakati Tadayata Shakatika.
Same thing as you said, Vrishabho.
Vrishabho.
Sorry, Vrishabho. Yes, it's
Kashaya Vrishabho. That Shakati
Shakatikena.
Shakatik.
Tadayata.
Okay. Tadayata Shakatikena. Okay. Tadayata Shakatikena Bhuyate.
You do like this. Kashaya Tadayata Shakatikena. This Vrishabho Bhuyete. Right? That karma, that what
Vrishabho. Okay.
What the Kriyapadam indicates, that can be placed closer to the Kriyapadam. So, Bhuyete. Right?
Bhuyete. Yeah.
Vrishabho Bhuyete. Then Kashaya Tadayata Shakatikena Vrishabho Bhuyete. This is Lat Karmani Shatru. Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam is enough.
Okay.
All The Dvivachanam.
Lung form will be Shakatikah Kashaya Vrishabhau Atadayat.
Yes.
And then Dvivachanam Shakatikau Kashaya Vrishabhau Atadyatam.
Atadyatam.
Atadayatam. Okay,
Yeah,
Atadayatam. Yeah. Then Shakatikaha Kashaya Vrishabhau Atadayan. Then in this
Just a minute.
Karmani.
Did we do Karmani before? Yes. Karmani. Karmani you did before?
Yeah. Lat Karmani I did.
What is the form?
Lat Karmani will be Shakati Kena Kashaya Vrishabhau Tadyete. Here I made a mistake. Tadayete I said. Tadyete.
Okay.
Then now Lang Karmani Shakati Kena Kashaya Vrishabhau Tadyat. Atadiyata.
We are doing Tamatu. Tamatu or Tapratyaya. Okay.
Oh, Tavatu.
It's okay.
Okay. No, I did.
You are doing Tamatu, not the lung. So therefore, no Atadiyata, no Atakamada.
Okay.
Dhatu plus Tapratyaya, that is Karmani Bhute. Dhatu plus Tavatu Pratyaya, Karmani. It is the Kartari Bhute. Right?
No, simple Kartari Bhute is there or not?
What do you mean by simple Kartari Bhute? Simple Kartari Bhute already they are using thing and thought they have done. So you are using.
Okay.
So third
Okay.
Tavatu Pratyaya.
Okay. Ta Pratyaya means Thadi Dhatu plus Ta.
First you do Tavatu Pratyaya. Kartari Tavatu. Then you can do Pratyaya.
Okay. Kartari Tavatu will be
Shakatikaha Taditavan. Okay. Shakatikaha Kashaya Vrishabhau.
Kashaya Vrishabhau Taditavan.
Then
Saha.
would be
Ta Pratyaya will be Shakati Kena Kashaya Vrishabhau Taditau.
Yes.
Taditau.
That's all. Taditau. Vrishabhau Taditau. Kena Shakati Kena. Katam Shakaya.
Shakya.
Taditau. Okay, the next sentence. Ganesh, then
Yes, Sharanji.
remember the sentence.
So Shakatam Chakrabhyam Gachati. So let me try Lat now.
Shakatam Chakradam Gachati. Remember. So
Yes.
you can.
So Gachati is the Kriya Padam.
Yes.
And Shakatam is the Karta and Chakrabhyam becomes the Karma.
Chakrabhyam.
And here Gachati.
No, Chakrabhyam not karma. How can it be karma?
Karma is not there.
Karma not there.
Not there, yes. Gachati. So no karma.
Chakrabhyam is the karana. Karana karaka. Tritiya
means. Yes.
Kabhyam gachati chakra. Sorry, yeah. Kabhyam gachati chakrabhyam gachati.
Chakrabhyam Gachati. So it's not a karma.
Chakrabhyam will remain as it is when you do the change of prayoga. Okay.
Right.
So no karma. Therefore, what prayoga?
So Bhave Prayoga in this.
It will be bhave prayoga. So according to.
So Gachati then becomes Gachat because Shatakam is Napumsakalinga. So Chakrabhyam Gachat Shakatam Asti.
You can follow this format, otherwise it will confuse.
Yes, Sharanji.
Shakatam Chakrabhyam Gachati. Now, let Ekavachanam, let Bhagavachanam.
So
Shakatam, Napumsakalinga.
So Shakatau Chakrabhyam.
Not Shakatau. Shakatam is Napumsakalinga.
Shakate Shakatani. So Shakate Chakrabhyam Gachatah and Shakatani Chakrabhyam
Gachanti.
Gachanti.
Then Shatru.
Shatru is
One vachan, ekavachan.
Gachati becomes Gachat.
Yes.
So Chakrabhyam Gachat.
Yes, very good.
Shakatam asti.
Shakatam asti. That's yes. Then Karmani. Let Karmani.
Karmani becomes Shatakena.
Okay.
Then Gachati becomes Gamyete.
Yes.
So Chakre Gamyete. Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga Dvivachanam.
Now why it is
Gamyate Gamyete.
Chakrena, it's not Chakre, Chakrabhyam. It will be Chakrabhyam. It will continue to be Chakrabhyam only. Okay, it will not change. It is Tritiya Vibhakti. It is Karana. It is not Karta or Karma to change in Prayoga. When you change the Prayoga. Chakrabhyam
Okay.
minus Chakrabhyam. Chakrabhyam Shakatena Gamyate. That's the Karmani Prayoga form. Understand?
Right.
Shakatam Gachati, Shakatena Gamyate. Karma not there. Only when Karma is there, it will go in Dvitiya.
Right. I took it as karma, that's why it become chakre. So it is.
No. That's why it's a
So it's bhave prayoga. So,
it's bhave prayoga, yes.
yes. So
Then
shakatena, chakrabhyam shakatena gamyate.
Gamyate. Next one.
Next one is
Lat Karmani Shatru.
Shatra. So it is Gachata Shatakena Chakre
Yes.
Chakrabhyam Bhuyate.
Chakrabhyam Gachata
Gachata Shatakena Chakrabhyam Bhuyate.
Chakrabhyam Gachata Shakatena Bhuyate. Okay.
Then Shanach becomes
Shanach not required.
Gamyamana. Oh, sorry, it's bhave prayoga.
It's a word file. I can follow the same format. Lang Kartari, Vachanam.
Lung, that becomes Agachat. So Shatakam Chakrabhyam.
Shakatam, not Shakatam. Shakatam.
Shakatam Chakrabhyam Agachat. And Shatakau Chakrabhyam.
Shakate.
Oh, so Shakate Chakrabhyam Agachatam.
Agachatam.
And Shakatani Chakrabhyam Agachan.
Yes. No. Lang Pavatu Tapatya.
Gachati becomes Gataha.
Good. Yes.
So
Shakatam
Shakatam Chakrabhyam Gata. Gatam.
Chakrabhyam. Always say like this.
Chakrabhyam Shakatam Gatam.
Gatam. That is Tapatya. Tavatu will be?
Gatavan. So
yes. Here it is the linga is Napumsaka linga.
So Napumsangali Gatavat.
Gatavat.
So Chakrabhyam Shakatam Gatavat.
Yes. Next sentence. Person. Dhammaji.
Lata Pushpaihi Lasati.
Sentence is also.
No karma here. So Lasati is the Kriyapadam. Ka Lasati, Lata Lasati. Kaihi, it's Karanakaraka. So Kaihi Lasati, Pushpaihi Lasati. Then Dvivachanam.
It is the hetu. You can take it as the hetu. It's not the Lata Lasati. Lasati means, what is the meaning of Lasati?
Shines.
The creeper shines because of the flowers. So Pushpam
Flowers.
The hetu because the reason for the shining of the creeper, Lata. So Lata Pushpaihi Lasati.
Lasati.
Sentence. Karma is there, the sentence?
No, no karma.
Therefore, bhave prayoga.
Bhave. So,
You can start from
dvivachan.
this. Yes.
Lat dvivachanam will be late pushpaihi lasataha. Then bahuvachanam lataha pushpaihi lasanti. Then lat shatra ekavachanam lata pushpaihi lasanti asti. Asti is the shatra form. So dvivachanam will be late.
Not the correct. Yes.
Okay.
The format only what is on the screen.
Then karmani, simple karmani, that is lataya push. It is bhave prayoga. So lataya pushpaihi lasyate.
Lasyate. Lataya lasyate. Pushpaihi lataya lasyate.
Lasyate. Then karmani, let karmani shatra form will be lasyate. So here lasanti lata pushpaihi bhuyate.
Yes. Then lung and all the
simple lung form will be lata pushpaihi alasat. Here dvivachanam will be late pushpaihi alasatam. Then bahuvachanam lataha pushpaihi alasan. And then ta pratyaya tavatu will be lata pushpaihi lasitavati will be the form. So this one ta pratyaya will be lataya pushpaihi lasita.
yes. Lasita.
Lasita.
How can be lasita?
Las patit itagama comes.
How is get lasita? Where
Las
karma the Srilinga?
lata. Oh,
Lata.
there is no this. There is no karma, so it will be bhave means lasitam only.
Lasita. Pushpaihi lataya lasita.
Lasitam. Yeah.
If this vakya alone is there, suppose some in the passage, Pushpaihi lataya lasitam.
Lasitam.
Very difficult to understand, but when you do all this, then you know, oh, this is what it means. Right? If this sentence is there in the passage, to understand the sentence immediately, it takes some time. You have to analyze the sentence. It is nothing but Pushpaihi lataya lasitam is Pushpaihi lataya lasitam is lata alasat pushpaihi. That is the meaning, but it takes analysis of the sentence. You have to do some analysis. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Krishnaji, next sentence.
Okay. बालकः हस्तेन चन्द्रम् आह्वयति.
Chandraha, Chandram, karma is there. Chandram akhvayati. Okay. Kaha aghvayati.
बालकः आह्वयति.
Balakaha aghvayati.
कम् आह्वयति? चन्द्रम् आह्वयति. केन आह्वयति? हस्तेन आह्वयति.
Kena or katam. Katam akhvayati. Astena akhvayati. So balakaha Chandram astena akhvayati. These two.
एक बहुवचन would be बालकाः.
Vivachan first.
बालकौ हस्तेन चन्द्रम् आह्वयतः.
Balakau Chandram akhvayataha astena.
आह्वयतः. बहुवचन would be बालकाः हस्तेन चन्द्रम् आह्वयन्ति. लट् शत्रु एकवचनम. प्रातिपदिकम is आह्वयत्, ओके आह्वयत्। So बालकः हस्तेन चन्द्रम् आह्वयन् अस्ति।
आह्वयन् अस्ति।
आह्वयन्
तेन आह्वयन् बालकः अस्ति. Present other words as it is. Only the karta, the kriya padam you have to see. Akhvayan balakaha asti. Yes.
लट् कर्मणि एकवचन, ओके। सो लट् कर्मणि बालकेन हस्तेन चन्द्रः
Start from the kriya padam always. Make it better than that. Find out the karma in the center. What bachanam is.
kriya. So kriya padam is hueng. So karmani samprasaranam will happen. So prasaranam hakara hu. So hu. So hu.
Ahuyate.
Ahuyate. Okay. So कः आहूयते? चन्द्रः आहूयते। केन बालकेन हस्तेन चन्द्रः आहूयते।
Yes.
Now लट् कर्मणि शत्रु एकवचनं लट् कर्मणि.
Already you have done. Balakaha akhvayan asti.
Yeah, balakaya ahvayan asti. So लट् कर्मणि would be balakena हस्तेन चन्द्रः आह्वयन्
Yata bhuyate. Balakena akhvayata bhuyate.
Ahvayata bhuyate. Oh yeah.
That is why I said the sentence first. I said a simple karta reason. Balakaha akhvayan asti. That you have to convert.
Tritiya would be ahvayata, yeah.
Okay, next one.
Lang kartari. So lang kartari. So balakaha astena chandram. Chandram. So ahuyat.
Why ahuyat? You are not doing karmani, you are doing kartari, right? Ahvayat.
Yeah. Lang kartari dvivachanam. So balakau hastena chandram ahuyatah. Ahvayatam. Bahuvachanam would be balakah hastena chandram ahvayan. Lang tavatu. So again samprasaranam. So huta.
Samprasaranam. Okay.
So huta. So lang tavatu. So balakena hastena chandraha hutaha.
First you have to start again. Here also start with the kriya padam. Hutaha. Once you have found out, then kaha hutaha.
Chandra hutaha. So
then hastena balakena. Tavatu will be
ahutavan. Ahutavat would be pratipadikam. Ahutavan. So balakah astena chandram ahutavan.
yes, ahutavan. Next person.
Yeah. Sentences. Janaha padabhyam gachanti kriyapadam. Ke gachanti janaha gachanti. Kabhyam gachanti padabhyam gachanti.
So,
So janaha pada. There is no karma. So okay, bhavi prayoga.
yes. Karta jana padabhyam. Here padabhyam is what? What vibhakti? Tritya vibhakti. What?
Bahuvachana. I'm sorry, the dvivachana.
Karanakaraka.
Karnakaraka.
The means of going.
Yeah, by foot.
So,
Okay.
the previous sentence, the before one, Lata Pushpaihi Lasati. There it is the Hetu. Pushpa is Pushpaihi Tritya vibhakti. Pushpa is the Hetu for the Lasanam of Lata. So that is Hetu Tritiya. But here, Adabhyam, then the Chakrabhyam, and all the sentence, the Tritiya vibhakti is Karanakaraka. Chakra is Karanam, Pada is Karanam, the means of accomplishing the action. Okay, remember the sentence? Janaha
Padabhyam gachanti.
We can do.
Yeah. So first it will be ekavachana will be janaha padabhyam gachati.
Yes.
Then dvivachanam will be janau padabhyam gachatah. And bahuvachanam is janaha padabhyam gachanti. Sorry. Then shatru will be in this it will be, you want me to do ekavachanam dvivachanam Shalji or just for this sentence?
Please follow what is in this. The same format is enough. Yeah.
So here it will be gachantaha janaha padabhyam santi.
Yes.
Then simple karma will be janaihi padabhyam gamyate.
Yes,
Then karmani.
the karta, the what it's abhigita that closer to the kriya padam, that will be helpful. Padabhyam gachantaha janaha santi. Padabhyam gachata, then bhuyate. I mean, whatever maybe if we are doing.
Yeah, it will, okay. Padabhyam
Like that.
gachadbihi janaihi bhuyate. Okay. Then
Let karmani.
next. Let karmani, simple karmani we did know. Janaihi padabhyam gamyate.
Gamyate, yes.
And then karmani shatru will be padabhyam gachatbihi janaihi bhuyate.
Yes.
Lang will be janaha padabhyam agachan. Ekavachanam will be janaha padabhyam agachat. We will be janau padabhyam agachatam. Janaha padabhyam agachat. Yeah. Next will be tavatsu pratyaya will be janaha padabhyam gataha. And then in case of tavattu it will be janaha padabhyam gatavantaha.
Dhatu being Gatyartaka dhatu.
Sorry, Shanji.
Dam dhatu being Gatyartaka dhatu. So Janaha Gataha you can say. Janaha Gatavantaha you can say. Both are correct.
Okay.
But when it is Karmani Prayoga, that will be different. Padabhyam Janehi you are saying. You have to say Janehi.
Yeah.
Janehi Gatam. You have to. Janehi Gatam. I don't know what you said.
I didn't come to that, Sharanji. Now only I should do.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You told me now. I was wondering what it is. Thank you. Padabhyam Janaihi Gatam. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Because it's Bhave Prayoga. Okay.
Yeah. Then you said Gataha. Or that Janaha Gataha you said?
I thought it is for the simple one. That cannot come. Actually, it's wrong. Because
it's not wrong, I'm saying. It is correct only. Janaha Gataha, it's correct.
Okay.
Padabhyam Janaha Gataha or Gatavantaha. Both are correct.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Gatyartaka dhatu can denote karta also. So Janaha Gataha is correct. Janaha Gatavantaha Tavatu Pratyaya also you can use. That is also correct. But if you do Karmani, then Janehi becomes Gatam.
Gatam. Okay. Padabhyam Janaihi Gatam.
Remember, gatyataka dhatu, akarmaka dhatu can denote karma also. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So that's what you said. I thought that's what
I don't know. I just without applying, I just told her Gatavantah and Gata.
Gam dhatu, the gatyartaka dhatu, not only gam dhatu. Any gatyartaka dhatu having the meaning of movement. Gram dhatu, at dhatu, any dhatu having the sense, the meaning of movement, and akarmaka dhatu can denote karma also. Okay, next example. Last one, this exercise.
Yeah. Nari patya vilasati. Naryo patya
No, first you
vilasati.
explain the sentence
Okay.
and then do
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Nari patya vilasati. Ka vilasati. Nari vilasati. Kaya vilasati. Nari patya vilasati.
What is patya?
Pati Tritiya Vibhakti. Pati Shabda.
What
Because of
meaning is the Tritiya Vibhakti?
Hetu, that is because of her husband.
Yes.
That Nari lady is shining. She shines. Nari lady shines because of her husband.
The woman shines because of her. That is
Okay.
better.
Okay. So Ekavachanam is Nari Patya Vilasati. Dvivachanam Naryo Patya Vilasataha. Bahuvachanam Naryaha Patya Vilasanti.
Here sentence also, that in this sentence also, that patya you can put it in the beginning. So lasati, nari lasati, patya nari, easy. Okay. So
Okay.
that kriya padam, that immediate to the kriya padam, that what the kriya padam denote, it is there. So you can connect immediately. Nari lasati, naryo lasataha, naryaga lasanti. So patya is going to be at the beginning. So patya,
Okay.
you can rearrange the sentence when you say. Easy for
Okay.
connect to the what is Adhigitam. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then Shanaj, let Shatru, I'm sorry, let Shatru, Patya Vilasanti Nari Asti.
Very good. Yes.
Then let Karmani, simple Karmani. So Narya, this is Bhave Prayoga.
Let's
So
yes, Bhave Prayoga.
Narya Patya Vilasyate.
Yes.
Then Shatru Karmani will be Patya Vilasantya Narya Bhuyate.
Yes.
Then lung form Patya Nari Vilasa Avilasat Patya Naryo Avil. So A plus V Avilasyata. V will be there or it will become any change will be there. Avilasatam.
No, sorry, it's not mistake. Okay. Yes, your point is correct. V is Upasarga should come before. First, Lasat is there, Alasat. So Vyalasat, it will be Vyalasat. Yes.
Yeah.
First one,
Vyalasat.
Vyalasat. Vyalasatam, Vyalasan.
Yeah. Patya Nari Vyalasat. Patya Naryo Vyalasatam. Patya Naryaha Vyalasatan.
Vyalasan.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Vyalasan. Then this is a lung. Tavatu form is Nari Patya Vilasitavati. Ikara will Itagama will come Vilasitavati. Then lung ta will be Narya Patya Vilasitam.
Yes.
Because Bhave Prayoga.
Yes. This lesson also done. Next is Prashnaha. Ganesh, you can read this.
Prashnaha. Yuvam kena griham gachatha. So, what is to be done, Shanji? So, gachatha. So, Kriyapadam is gachatah.
Okay.
Vivachanam, yuvam gachatah.
Simple karmani, you can make simple karmani. All the sentences. Simple karmani. Change the prayoga from kartari to karmani.
So, yuvam kena griham gachatah. So, then yuvam.
Start with the Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam is gachatah.
So, Gamdhatu. Karmani would be?
Gachan.
No, karmani. Simple karmani. Gamyate, right?
Sorry, gamyate, yes. Karmani becomes gamyate.
Kena griham gamyate. Yuvam is the karta. That will go in what vibhakti?
So it becomes yuvabhyam.
Yes.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Yuvabhyam kena.
Yuvabhyam kena griham gamyate.
Now, ta pratyaya if you use.
Ta becomes gataha.
Griham.
Griham gatam. So
Gatam.
it is
Yuvabhyam
griham
kena
gatam.
griham gatam. Only
Gatam.
these two. Yes. These two you can use for all the sentences. Yes.
And gatavan.
That's okay. That is done. The next sentence.
So gatam.
Lata kaihi lasati. Next sentence.
Lata kaihi lasati. So
Karmani would be?
Here it is bhave prayoga. So it is lataya.
Yes.
Lasati becomes
Plus yak plus
lasat.
te. No. Las plus yak plus te.
Lasyate.
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 Lataya kaihi lasyate.
Lataya kaihi lasyate.
Ta pratyaya?
Ta pratyaya becomes lasatta.
Lasita.
Sorry, lasita.
Lataya kaihi?
Lataya kai lasita.
Lasitam. Why lasita? Because
It is napumsakalinga.
karma not there.
So it's
Karma not there. No, that is not napumsaka. Karma not there, therefore napumsaka. Okay.
Right.
Lasitam.
Lasitam.
Third sentence.
Nari kena
Sir,
vilasati.
Yes. Yes, Parvati.
Sir, Lataya Kaihi Varma. Kaihi is Tritiya
Yes.
Vibhakti. So
Why? Kaihi is Tritiya Vibhakti. That will not change. Because it is not karma or karta.
Oh.
It is the kaihi is pushpehi, it is going to be pushpehi or whatever it may be. That is Tritiya Vibhakti. That will not change. Only karta in Tritiya Vibhakti will change when you do the karmani to kartari or kartari if it becomes pratama Vibhakti, that will become in karmani. Similarly, karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti in kartari and pratama Vibhakti in karmani. Only karma and karta will change. Tritiya, Chaturthi, all will remain as it is. And kaihi is hetu. Hetu panam of the lata. That will remain as it is. So lataya kaihi lasitam.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Ganeshji.
Okay.
Nari kena vilasati. So narya kena vilasyate.
Good. Taparte.
And nari kena vilasatam.
Narya. Narya kena
Vilasatam.
vilasitam.
Vilasitam. Sorry. Vilasitam.
Yes. Fourth one.
Narya kena
Vilasitam done. This was vilasitam.
vilasitam.
Any doubt in that? Because it is also
Not vilasita vatu.
Why vilasitavatu? Karma not there.
So, okay.
Akarmaka dhatu also, right? Vilasitam.
Vilasitam.
It cannot take karma, right? Narya kena vilasitam. Narya patya vilasitam. Patya, nari patya vilasati. The sentence was there. So, nari patya. Nari is Prathama Vibhakti. Patya is Tritiya Vibhakti. It is the hetu. It is not the karma.
It's not the karma.
Kena vilasitam. Patya vilasitam. Right?
Right, sir.
Patya vilasitam. Kena vilasitam. Patya vilasitam.
Right.
Okay. Then, now, see, Nari kena, Nari, sorry, Nari kena, if you are using Narya kena vilasyate, that is
Karmani.
Karmani. Then Nari kena vilasita, it has to be. Okay, sorry, that is the, okay. Nari patya vilasati, you take that. Okay. That sentence itself you take. Nari patya
Patya vilasati.
vilasati. So it is, now if you do it in Bhabe Prayoga, Narya patya vilasyate. Right?
Yes, yes. So vilasati is what it's.
Yes. Vilasyate. So Narya kena vilasitam. Narya kena vilasitam.
Vilasitam.
Yes.
Bhave.
Nari kena vilasita. That is also, that is different. Okay. Understand the difference between these two. Nari kena vilasita.
Vilasita.
Nari kena vilasita also, because here, so therefore, Nari kena vilasita. Nari patya vilasita. That is possible one. And a sentence what was given in the lesson is Nari patya vilasati is there. That we change into Karmani. That became patya narya vilasyate. That is Karmani. Now, having done that, we are using ta pratyaya. What will happen? Patya narya
Vilasita.
patya narya vilasitam it will be. If it is nari, then nari vilasita. Understand the difference between the two. There's a
Right,
slight
sir.
difference is there. Okay. Let's see. In fact, the sentence, the proper would be Nari Vilasita would be, that is meaningful. It's all the prayoga. It is also possible. Narya Vilasitam also you can say. Nothing wrong, because the sentence is like that. The sentence given is like that. Nari Vilasati. Karmani would be Narya Vilasyate. Narya Vilasyate. Narya Vilasitam. Narya Vilasitam. It means what? What is the meaning of Narya Vilasitam? That shining was done by
the woman. By the
woman, as though it is done by the woman deliberately. It's something like that. But it is a akarmaka dhatu, right? So, Narya Vilasita means, suppose it is, Nari Vilasita means, Nari Vilasita. Narya Vilasitam we have seen. Nari Vilasita is Nari Vilasita. So, less dhatu being akarmaka dhatu, right? We saw,
Yes.
it can denote the karta also. It can denote the karta also.
Karta also.
Therefore, Nari kena vilasita. That also possible, I'm saying. Understand? Gatyartha kadatu, akarmaka dhatu, it can denote karta also. Like this. Ramaha gatavan. Ramaha gatam.
Gatam.
Gataha. Ramaha gataha is valid. Okay. Ramaha gataha, Ramaha gatavan. So, Ramaha suptaha, Ramaha suptavan. Right? So similarly here also, this vilasita, when you say, it can denote karta also, and the karta is nari. So nari kena vilasita, that question also valid, I'm saying. Not it is derived by the changing the prayoga of the sentence given in the lesson. But that question also is valid. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Shanti.
Yes. Because it is a
Sharanji,
karmaka dhatu. Yes.
uh,
Price is same. Narya kena vilasitam, nari kena vilasita. Meaning wise it is same. But usage is there. Yeah.
so what I am understanding is when you say Narya Kena Vilasitam, we are using it, even though karma is not there, we are using it to link it to Bhave Prayoga, Vilasitam. Whereas where we are saying Nari Kena Vilasita, we are referring to Nari itself when we say Vilasita. Am I correct?
Yes,
I'm
yes,
thinking
correct
that.
only. Yes, it is. Yes, one is bhave, other one is kartari.
Kartari, yes.
One is kartari.
Thank you.
Please note this sentence. It's okay. So, meaning is same. It's a good sentence. Only when you analyze a sentence, you know the meaning. So, meaning wise, both are same. Patya, narya, vilasitam. That is one. Nari, patya, vilasita. That is another one. Both are same. The same thing in the interrogation form, it is given. Nari kena vilasati, nari kena vilasitam, sorry, nari kena vilasita, narya kena vilasitam. Right? Okay. Continue, please continue. I hope you understand, all of you. Yes. Number
Yes, Shanti. Right. Avam kaya nadim taravaha. So here karmani becomes ava becomes avabhyam. Sorry.
Start from the kriya padam and
Yep.
to the kriya padam, see the karma. Karma is nadi. Nadim is that. Nadi.
Nadim. So nadim dvivachanam. So it is
Nadi. Nadi is the karmani prayoga. Nadi will be in prathama vibhakti. You have to see the pratipadikam of the karma. Nadim is the pratipadikam is nadi.
nadi.
Is will be it's going to be in what vibhakti?
Dvitiya vibhakti. Nadim.
In karmani prayoga it is going to be in
Prathama vibhakti. So it becomes nadi.
Nadi. So now start from that. So Trivdhatu will become
Nadi and avam becomes avabhyam.
that comes later. Nadi tiryate. Okay. But start from that. Nadi tiryate.
Nadi tiryate.
Then you can say avabhyam.
Avabhyam kaya nadi tiryate.
Now ta pratyaya would be
Ta pratyaya will be tarata. So
no ta pratyaya. Ta pratyaya not tarata. Trivdhatu plus ta pratyaya become tirna. That's what
right.
Tirna. So denoting karma. What is a karma in the sentence? Nadi is a karma.
Nadi.
So what linga is that?
Strilinga.
So tirna will become?
Tirna.
So tirna. So
yes.
now question will be?
So avam kaya nadi tirna.
Not avam. Avam, how can it be in avam? Can go in prathama. Avabhyam. Right?
Avabhyam kaya nadi tirna.
Nadi tirna. Avabhyam kaya
nadi tirna.
Tirna. Yes. Next one.
So shakatam kabhyam gacchati. So a kriya padam is gacchati. And
Karmani would be?
Karmani will be shatakena kabhyam
Shakatena kabhyam gamyate.
Gamyate. And gataha becomes the ta pratyaya. Gataha. So shatak gatam and shakatam gatam.
Shakatam, yes, okay.
So kabhyam shakatam gatam.
That is one. Shakatena kabhyam gatam also is there possible. Is do the sentence.
Shakatena kabhyam
yes.
gatam.
That is also possible, right?
Right.
Kabhyam shakatam gatam. Like the nari kena vilasati we saw. The same thing here. because gam is gatyarthaka dhatu. Kabyam shakatam gatam or shakatena chakra kabyam shakatam gacchati is there. So then gamyate shakatena kabyam gamyate. Gamyate we are making into gatam. Shakatena kabyam gatam. That is one sentence. Other one is shakatam kabyam gatam.
Gatam.
As this shakatam is prathama vibhakti. Kabyam gatam. This is kartari. Shakatam kabyam gatam is kartari. Shakatena kabyam gatam is karmani. Is the next one.
Janaha kabyam gacchanti. Again, Kriya Padam is gach. So gacchanti. So if you make it karmani, janaihi, kabhyam becomes kabyam only. So janaihi kabyam
Gatam. Gatam only. Janaihi.
karmani.
When you say janaihi, it has to be gatam only. Karmani. There is no other possibility. Karma not there, right?
Karma not there, yes.
For gatam. Kabyam janaihi gatam. Or if you want to say in kartari itself, using ta pratyaya, janaha kabyam gataha.
Gata.
Understand the sentence? So this is janaha kabyam gataha is kartari. Janaihi kabyam.
Janaihi kabyam gatam.
Gatam karmani, yes. Now Ramaji, next one, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, Sharanji. Navikaha kaya naukam kshipati. Kshipati is the Kriya Padam. Karmani form will be kshipyate.
Yes.
So nauka kshipyate.
Good.
So navikena kaya nauka kshipyate. Ta pratyaya will be kshipta. So now nauka kshipta. Navikena kaya nauka kshipta.
Good. Yes. Next sentence.
Shakatikah kaya vrishabhau tadayati. Tadayati is the Kriya Padam. Tadiyate is the Karmani form. So vrishabhau tadiyate.
Tadiyate.
Tadiyate. Yeah.
Yes.
Shakatikena kaya vrishabhau tadiyate. Then ta pratyaya will be shakatikena kaya vrishabhau taditau.
Taditau. Yes.
Then balakah kena chandram ahvayati. Ahvayati kriyapadam ahuyate on karmani form. Chandram ahuyate.
Chandraha.
Chandraha ahuyate pullinga. Then balakena balakena chandraha ahuyate.
Not kena balakena.
Oh, sorry, kena.
Means by what boy it will become. Okay.
No, just I brought it.
Understand. Now that being also possible, right? So it depends on the context. Balakena means that kena asking here. Kena is the answer expected answer is karana. Kena, that kena could be a qualifier to balaka. Possible, I'm saying. So we have the word so that confusion is not there. If we place as a visheshanam, boy, the Chandra is being possible, I'm saying. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Balakena kena chandraha ahuyate. Balakena kena chandraha ahutaha.
Yes.
Ta pratyaya.
Next person, Sumati ji. Next one.
Tat shabdasya rupaihi vakyani purayatah. So here I am navikah naukam shipati.
Shabda, not touch. It is
Oh,
not
okay. Oh, I'm sorry. That will be what is it for a moment?
Saha.
Saha. Oh, Saha Navik blanks out. Saha Navikah Naukam Shipati.
Basic thing also we forget, right?
Shipati is the Kriya Padam.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What do I do with this, Shanji?
Nothing. Just read this enough.
Okay. Saha Navikah Naukam Shipati. Here it will be Sa Latha Kusmaihi Vilasati.
That's it. Next, Krishnanji, you can read the next one.
इमे ओके लट् रूपै वाक्यानि पूरयत इमे बालाः
It is a mistake.
पादाभ्यां
Purnataya is that's a typo.
पूरयत.
Yeah, I don't know whether it's a Purnayata, it must be. Purnataya is that it's a Purnataya. Purnayata. Okay.
इमे बालाः पादाभ्यां पाठालयं
Patalayam.
इमे बाला so बहुवचनम so lat will be gachanti.
Gachanti. So what linga is that the sentence? Balaha.
बहुवचनम.
What
Sorry,
linga?
pullinga बहुवचनम.
Pullinga Bhagavachan. Okay. You can do the sentences different forms. Maybe you can do it as an homework. You can try all the whatever the prayagas, ta pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya. Can you do simple karmani? Ime balaha padabhyam patalayam gachanti. That is
Simple karmani would be ime balaha would be okay.
start from Kriya Padam. Don't forget to start from Kriya Padam. Always make it a habit.
Gach should be
Right. Karma is what? First is karma is what? Patalaya.
Pada. No, okay, yeah. Patalayam.
Patalayam is Patalayaha, it must be Pullinga, right? I mean, Patalaya is a Pratipadikam.
Correct.
So,
Patalayaha. So, Patalayaha gamyate.
yes.
Patalayaha gamyate. Padabhyam Patalayaha gamyate. Ime bala. So, that tasya tritiya would be
Balaihi.
A B. Balaihi. ABhi balaihi. ABhi balaihi padabhyam Patalayaha gamyate.
Ta Pratyaya would be Karmani.
So, gata.
Patalayaha.
Patalayaha gataha.
The same Gataha, if you can use in Kartari, it would be
Same gata in Kartari. Gataha. Ime balaha.
Me Balaha Gataha. Patalaya.
Gataha.
Yes, continue. The next one.
But gata. So can we use the ta pratyaya in Kartari? It's wrong, right?
Why it is wrong?
I thought we have to use only in Karmani.
That's what we have been saying. Ta Pratyaya can Gatyataka Dhatu, Akarmaka Dhatu can denote Karta also.
Oh, well, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That is what I have been saying from the beginning.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
With the analysis of 3 or 4 sentences in this very exercise itself. Right?
Yes.
Not only now here when we saw Ta Pratyaya, Tavatu Pratyaya, that time also I mentioned this Gatyartaka Dhatu and this Akarmaka Dhatu. Some dhatus are there. Those dhatus can denote Karta also. So therefore it can be used in Karta means Kartari Priyaha, right? So Gatyartha, Akarmaka, Shlisha, Sheen, Sta, Sava, Sajana, Rukha, Jiryatibhyascha, Ta Kartari Karmani Bhavecha Akarmakebhyaha. Sutra is that. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Akarmaka dhatu, any dhatu. Then shlish dhatu, shing dhatu, shing means to sleep. Ta dhatu, as dhatu, vas dhatu, jan dhatu, ruk dhatu, jir dhatu, all these dhatu, they will come in kartravachyam as well as karmavachyam. Example, griham gataha, that is gatyartaka dhatu. Griham gataha what? Moganaha griham gataha. You have to separate karta. Otherwise, gatam karmani. This is reached, went by. That's all. Who is the person? If it is moganaha, then gataha. Griham gataha, we can say. Right? This one is so therefore gataha can denote karta. If karta is there, it will gam dhatu will denote. It can be kartari. If karta, if you put it in tritiya vibhakti, then it becomes karmani. Then keeping with the karma, it will be right. The vachanam as well as linga would be. Yes.
Next sentence.
Vayam karnabhyam.
Vayam karnabhyam shabdam akarna. Okay, vayam karnabhyam shabdam. So okay, akarna. So akarnanti.
Vayam is not akarnanti. Akarna yamaha.
Oh, akarna yamaha. Yeah.
Chatur, this the 10th gana.
Uttama purusha. Yeah, uttama purusha. Okay, akarna
Akarna yamaha.
Akarna yamaha.
Abhyam shabdam akarna yamaha. Right? Okay.
Simple karmani would be asmabihi.
Again,
Okay, so
here also
akarna yamaha.
shabda.
So akarna yamaha. So shabda.
No. Akarnyate.
Akarnyate.
Start from there.
Akarnyate. Shabdam akarnyate.
Ashabdam. Shabdaha. Because shabda is pullinga.
Shabdaha akarnyate. Asmabihi karnabhyam shabdaha akarnyate.
Yes. Parvati ji, here karnabhyam will remain as karnabhyam. Nothing will happen. Because it is the karana. Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Remain as it is.
Okay.
Vayam will become
Got it, sir.
asmabihi. Right? Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
The next sentence, next person. Who is the next person? Smati ji.
No, I am Smati.
Smati ji.
Yeah.
I think
I preceded Krishnanji.
Oh, okay. So Kameshwari, you can do this.
okay. Nasikaya vayam gandham nasikaya vayam. So jigramah.
Yes.
So nasikaya. So jigramah for this karmani is gra dhatu. So grayate, jigrayate.
Not jigrayate. G is not upasarga. Grayate only. Okay.
Okay, grayate. Okay, grayate. So nasikaya.
Why nasikaya?
Oh, then karman.
Yes, yes, please continue. Yes, you're right. Nasikaya. Okay. Nasikaya.
Asmabihi.
Asmabihi. Yeah.
Gandham.
Gandaha.
Gandaha. Yeah. Prathama vibhakti. Gandaha. Grayate.
Yes.
Balakaha. So for this I have to, ta pratyaya will be gra will become kri. Grate.
I think I given this in the list.
Yeah, list is there.
I think grataha it must be. Gra dhatu, jigar dhatu, gra dhatu.
Yeah, grat, correct. Gratah, correct. Gratah. Next one, balakaha vidyaya lasanti. Lasanti is kriya padam. That will become lasyate. So vidyaya lasyate. So balakaha. So balakaihi vidyaya lasyate. And tavatu ta pratyaya will be las dhatu lasatah. So lasitaha. Okay. Lasita vidya lasita.
No, why vidya?
No, yeah, it is bhavai prayoga. So lasitam.
Yes.
Lasitam.
Or kartari would be balakaha vidyaya lasitaha. Possible. Or balak tehi vidya lasitam. Okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't took so much time here. So we can stop here. This format you can keep, you can do the same format the other lessons also. So that,
Shanji, can you send this by WhatsApp, Shanji? This one?
yes, this
Thank you,
I'll
Shanji.
send you the
Yeah.
file. Yeah. Otherwise, the sentence will be going back and forth, 40s plus 42nd, that will create confusion. So you can have this one. So we stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।